always stand with your left hand on your hip like it's holding you up. I guess we know things without knowing them. Well, maybe it kind of dawned on you, too. Nothing I could have done about that, I'm afraid.
You lied so convincingly.
From here, just see if I got this right. A small consolation prize. The one I go to when I just want to think, plan, not to do anything.
You're not okay, Cooper.
So I don't know if anybody has watched Trap,
This won't delay a bunch.
but it is so bad.
Some 5 bites.
Like, it could have been so good. But the director, acting was okay. Josh Hartnett, pretty good. But the director, I think, just ruined this movie so bad. It just... Watch the first 20 minutes. Tell me I'm wrong. It does get a little bit better, but not much.
At the end.
Let me know your thoughts, guys.